Today we're featuring a 2021 Mercedes-Benz G63 G-Wagon. This vehicle is very special because it's only one of 20 made in the world by an exclusive company called KEYVANY. They're a manufacturing and tuning company. Now this particular vehicle features in the front a carbon fiber front bumper, a carbon fiber grille, a carbon fiber bonnet, as you can see. It also has a carbon fiber wide body kit around the entire vehicle, 24-inch forged aluminum wheels specifically made by KEYVANY. This vehicle also features a 4.0 liter displacement V8 twin turbo with 577 horsepower, but KEYVANY put a special exhaust on it which increases the horsepower by another 60 horsepower. Come visit us at HGreg Lux to see this exclusive vehicle, only one of 20 made in the world, and look forward to seeing you soon.